All right, just got home from work. Had a big package in the mail. Super excited for this. It's from K Suspension. Before we get into the actual product, nice stickers, decals, cards. This is a manufactured bracket. What it does is hold the air compressor onto the place in the back of an XJ where your spare tire would normally go. Since I don't have a spare tire in there, this works perfect. It's gonna end up mounting like this in the vehicle. I love that it's rough metal. I can paint it whatever color I want, which is phenomenal. Let's take a look and see what's in this box here. All right, this is my onboard air supply. I've been wanting one of these forever. Stars finally aligned and I was able to get one. This looks like the instructions here. And we got this bad boy. Absolutely phenomenal. Reviews and stuff that I've heard on it have been amazing. We'll get this all unboxed, get a better look at it. Looks like it's got all the connections, all the wirings, everything needed for it. They're extremely excited. So we'll probably start getting this on without any delay, and we'll keep you informed. All right, let my son paint this. He really wanted to, so we went with red. Did a pretty good job. Got the compressor onto this bracket. This thing is beefy. Basically, you've got locked in nuts on the actual compressor base itself, so you feed it through from the back side. The only thing I did was the compressor comes with 1-inch screws. I went and got 3/4 inch because when you put the 1 inch in here, it doesn't look like it, but it actually hits those coils. So I switched that down. Getting ready to get the rest of this installed, but looks absolutely phenomenal. All right, so on the packet you get with the bracket comes these, right? These will go up here to hook through here. What you're gonna do with these is once you take these bolts out, which are right here, you're gonna put this through the plate, and then you're gonna slide this on the back side of it. So it'll essentially go in this way. All right, got the plate on and compressor. Looks really good. What I ended up doing here is I've got some speakers in here. I ended up grounding my fog lights and my amp to this plate. So it ground out really good. Obviously still got to run the wires and everything. This plate is absolutely phenomenal. It's not going to go anywhere. Perfect clearance. When KFAB designed this, they did it the right way. Bolted right up. The only thing I'm going to be honest with you about this right here is a pain in the ass to tighten up, but ended up getting it. Looks good. Again, not going to go anywhere. I'm gonna have to fix this to where you can see the logo. It's too nice to have covered up, but super impressed. All right, so got the air filters on top. Pretty simple, you just open, screw them on. All I gotta do now is wire this. It's pretty simple, plug and play, but depending upon your application, if you're gonna run a air extension tube, so on and so forth for air lockers. At this time I'm not, so I'll just use this as a normal compressor port and then run air compressor hose to it. I'm not going to go through and show you how to wire it because every application, how you do it's going to be a little different as far as where you want to mount the switch, where you want to draw power from, where you want to draw ground from. You know, I've already got power in the rear with the distribution block, so you know I'm probably not going to draw it from the front, but got to run all the wires and all that stuff. But I'll keep you informed on how this goes, and so far super impressed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and check out KFAB, K Suspension.